Hey, Alex from Scantech here. In this video, I will give you some tips about our virtual fair. First, in order to navigate through the fair, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Then, the signs you will see on the floor. This one allows you to watch a video, and this one teleports you from the entrance to the fair and vice versa. To interact with them, you should step on them. There are many different stands which you can explore. If you see this sign while exploring them, you can approach it and press Z to see the brochure or read the document. That's it. You can access our virtual fair via the link in the description to this video. Enjoy your visit.